Recently have uploaded Big Basket 5 rupee store on YouTube Shorts, and one of the viewers have asked me this question in this way. As you see in the picture, I'll just read out, Isko kaise kolna hai, right? Okay, today we'll see different types of stores and how to access them. As you see in the picture, you have 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 29 rupees stores also available on Big Basket. So let's go. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, smiling. Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, you can use the link that is provided in the description box and get the Big Basket app. As you see in the picture, after installing the app, click on Big Basket. Click on 3 lines, right, left on the corner side. When you click on that, okay, now listen carefully. You have 2 options here. You can click on offers and notifications as well to access the stores. First, we'll click on offers. You'll be navigated to offers page. You can scroll down and see here 29 rupees store, 39 rupees store, BOGO offer, and so on. You can click on them and purchase the products you want under 29, etc. Okay, now come back to the home screen and click on 3 lines, and you see here the option notifications. Click on that and click on offers. Here you can see different types of stores available. 10 rupee store, 5 rupee store, BOGO store also available. You can click on whatever store you want. I'm clicking here on 5 rupee store because I want only the products of 5 rupees worth. Here you can see all types of 5 rupees products. You can see here eatables or biscuits or chocolates or any other food stuff, grocery, worth only 5 rupees. You can add to the cart as shown in the picture. Don't worry if the cart value is 5 rupees because there are no delivery charges. You'll get free delivery. After adding all the 5 rupees items to the cart, once you click on basket, you will see here proceed button. Click on that. After you click on proceed button, click on checkout and select your delivery slot. After selecting the delivery slot, you can use the payment offers that are available right on the home screen of Big Basket. Otherwise, you can use Tata Neu coins to make payment. If you are using Tata Neu app, for every order you'll be given Tata Neu coins. You can use them. You can click on proceed to pay now. You can click on vouchers and apply the vouchers that are applicable for you. Even post order also you can apply if you forget. Now, as you see in the picture, here I am using Tata Neu coins to make payment for my order. Next, you click on place order and pay. That's it, done. Your order is placed. In this way, you can access Big Basket 5 rupees store and have all the items of 5 rupees ordered home. Isn't it exciting to have 5 rupees store, right? Okay, one more budget-friendly offer. As you see in the picture, it is right available on your Big Basket home screen as Super Saver. You can click on Super Saver. Once you click, you have to turn on the Super Saver button as shown in the picture and add to the cart whatever the products you want. You can use sort and filter, and this way you can go for budget-friendly purchases. Right? Here comes the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you've got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Do subscribe and share this video to your friends and family. Keep smiling. Have a good day.